waka. Come the waka to go. Come the waka. Oh, see me now. Door don't open for me. I don't enter. I say okay. I want to see one thing for that fire. I say nobody there. We gonna go there gym oil. Come on, the place is giving. Place so fine. Jesus Christ. See place now. See place. I say me no get weight to the run. To the run that before I see. Me wey be say no sabi anything. Me wey if I no fit dey run for that kind thing, I fit even fall faint. I say I need to run. Me I just consider. Come on, the place so fine. See me now. I say make me dance. So I don't tire. I'm gonna go that place again. Okone waka. I can't go see waterfall. Jesus, I love this thing. That's how I be this small. If I don't see this thing like this, oh God, I feel like I just enter inside go swimming. Make the thing just a pop my head. My me that time that village brain be dead the head now. Village girl. I never sabi anything, any small thing. We say our papa go carry us go like this. We say we don't go outside country like this. But now those small things no dey again. See us, I'm gonna waka. Hey, this place is beautiful. I say I take shot for there first. Nice shot, my picture. We're gonna waka. They go there swimming poolside. I say make me go swim. Me, I go swim. My husband say me I no swim. Oh God. Say who won't hold the pikin? If I will swim like this, who go hold am? I say oh not true. I say we just go sit down now, drink champion beer again. See my husband. Oh God. See you. See now. See fine woman. Hey God. Oh, see my daughter say me she said she dance more. Gege. See princess now. See princess. One and only number one. I say we don't finish now. I say we don't finish the beer now. I say oh yeah. Then I say we go start to the waka.